Hi. In the past, I've written a couple of tutorials on how to set up featured image as a background with parallax effect on posts and pages in Altitude Pro. This was the first tutorial that I wrote on this topic. So the featured image, if it is present for a post or a page, is going to appear below the header and above the content as a background, with the post meta info appearing like this on top in the middle. And as you scroll down, we can observe that the background of the section slightly moves as the user scrolls down. That is the parallax effect. The same thing also works for the static pages. And in case a single entry, that is a page or a post, does not have a featured image attached, then a preset image which is hard-coded in style.css will be used. Now the second version or variation of this is where that image will appear full screen, taking up the entire height of the visitor's browser screen. So in the comment section of this particular tutorial, which is the second tutorial, a user basically asked if it is possible to combine these two tutorials in such a way that the user will have the option. When I say user, the person who is editing the page or a post, they should have an option wherein they can select the kind of effect. So what I've done is I've used advanced custom fields and I've set it up such that when you edit a page or a post, so let's go to a post, for example. So let's say I go to this particular post which has the featured image here, as you can see. So here I've added a post meta box in which we can select or check this particular option, show featured image background parallax section below the header. So when it is selected, the default option is regular. So now when I update this particular post, actually let me just show you how it looks when this is not selected. So this is our regular standard Altitude Pro single post look. When the user opts to show the regular featured image background parallax section, then the image is going to appear like this, and you can see the parallax effect as I scroll down. Now if the user comes down and selects the full screen option here and updates the entry, the image is going to take over the entire screen, and when you scroll down again you can observe the slight parallax effect. So the same thing also works for pages. When you go to a page, let's go to a page where there is let's go to sample page. Alright, so I'm gonna first remove the featured image, update, and take a look at this page, and it just appears normally like any other page. So when I come here and when I tick this box and update, come here and reload, so you can see that the background image is appearing here even though the page does not have a featured image. That's because this image is being taken from style.css. So let's go ahead and set a featured image for this. And now when I reload this page, you can see that the featured image is appearing here like so. Now let's say I want to have the image appear as a full screen image. So I simply select that option, update, and it becomes full screen.